Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to talk about router. We will talk about how to feed bud to your router. I was working on my project. I have to make some quarter round, so I decided to make a video because there's a couple things happen when I was feeding my bud to the router. So in this video we will talk about and we will demonstrate. We will feed some bud both ways, and you can decide. We will decide which way is better. I will say there's not a such way to feed. You can feed parallel against either way, but depend on what kind of bud you're using, what kind of router bit you're using. So I have right now 3/4 inch round bit, so we are going to use this one. I will show you when you feed against and when you feed parallel, how this one acting to the bird. Now let's start. I'm going to feed some bird and we will start. Okay, so first let's check my router which way is spinning. So my router is spinning this way. So first I will feed my bud against. My router spinning this way, I will feed this way, and we will see which way is working better. So like say my router spinning this way, I'm going to feed bud this way. Okay, so we ran half of the bird so far, and we run against to the router, and it worked perfect. But I see there's some of the big piece of bird, like big chips, it was coming off when I feed against. So big chunk coming out from the bird. It can happen if it go really deep, and it's gonna take a big part of, like, it's not gonna be smooth. But in my case, it's perfect right now. But I also tried, if you feed parallel to the speed, it will not peel that big chip, but you have to feed 2-3 times. But I will say we can test it that way too. Now I'm feeding the speed of router, the way it's router spinning. So it's spinning this way. Let's see. So now we have a feed as the speed, but as we can see, it's not that smooth. So basically, but I'm thinking we have to feed against to the router to make it a little bit more better. It's a lot better. Or in other case, what we can do, we can run couple turn to the parallel and then against. So you have to run your bud to the against to the router. That will be the perfect case. If you have your bud chipping, then you can run couple turns. Like this one is 3/4 inch. So it's, I have to go too deep. So I basically, in each bud I'm going to run 3 times. So I have a first try, second try, and third try. First 2 try I was running parallel, and the third try I will run against. Okay, that's the final look. I also figured out when you run, if router running this way and you feeding this the way the flow of speed, then this bird is pulling too much, like it's going fast. You have no control. But if you're feeding against, then you have a full control of your bird. But it's only one thing is you are like filing a couple chips. But I will say we have to feed against and. We need some kind of fence here. I have it already, but if you ever cutting that deep, then it's go like 2 or 3 portion, one like one step, half step, then full step, like little bit by little. So final result of this video is we supposed to run against to our router, and it is more safer and you have a full control on your bird. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.